Hi, I'm Geoff Grace with the Grace Real Estate team at RE/MAX Hallmark here in Toronto, and today I'm really excited for you to take a tour of this gorgeous house in the Danforth. The open concept main floor features a floating staircase, warm exposed brick wall, and a renovated kitchen with professional grade 5-burner gas stove. Upstairs is flooded with natural light from 2 skylights and features a large master bedroom addition with den or dressing room. Don't miss the amazing backyard with covered deck, always green turf, large shed, and a playset dreams are made of. Is off-street parking a must? Take down the shed and playset to access the lane parking. I hope you love the house as much as I do. If you'd like to come visit it in person, give us a call at 416-699-9295.